Question number 1. Which of the following is the default slide layout in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option B, title slide. Question number 2. How do you add a hyperlink to a slide in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option A, insert hyperlink. Question number 3. Which tab do you use to insert a table in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option B, insert. Question number 4. How can you change the background color of a slide in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option A, design background styles. Question number 5. What is the purpose of the slide sorter view in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option C, to arrange and organize slides. Question number 6. How can you insert a chart in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option A, insert chart. Question number 7 is, which feature allows you to add speaker notes to your slides in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option A, notes pane. Question number 8 is, how can you duplicate a slide in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option A, Ctrl+D. Question number 9 is, how do you set the timing for a slide transition in PowerPoint? The correct answer is option B, transitions timing. Last question is, how can you remove a slide from a PowerPoint presentation? The correct answer is option A, right-click, delete.